Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this file, and they want to put a red background around it, and they actually want red inner parts. So they're having problems with it leaking. So I took and set mine on red, and I filled that in, but you go to here and it leaks. You back up here and it leaks. So these are a bunch of circles, evidently, that have been interactive filled. It's in the center of the page. They drew it in the center of the page. So all you have to do is Control D and make a duplicate of that color and have it snap to the center and then rotate it that same 60 degrees. Control D, Control D, Control D. Now you would only really want to do that if you were going to make the outside a different color with the Smart Fill tool. Let's say you're going to make it blue. That's the only reason you'd want to do that because, well, unless you're not going to have an outside color at all. But let's take the inside color away and eliminate the leaks. But all you have to do, if the colors are going to be the same as the outside, you just want it, all you have to do is turn that rectangle red and go up to Object, Order, Back of Page, and you've got the same process, even maybe better because you could take that away and still have a box. So instead of having a Smart Fill around there, you can just have a red background. Anyway, I hope that answered their question, and thank you for watching.